every time I like inquire about a bag, they're like, it's gone. Like you have to be on the wait list for it. And I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna do that. I don't know how you even get on the wait list. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun Chanel unboxing to share with y'all, and I really love watching these videos myself here on YouTube, so I hope y'all enjoy. If you love unboxings, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing my full designer handbag collection, I will be sharing that in January, so make sure you're subscribed, and in that video I'll be sharing a lot more kind of details and reviews of the handbags that I have been using and carrying. And I wanted to mention, I feel like I found like a new shopping hack for Chanel because I managed to get $500 off my Chanel handbag. So I'm going to be sharing that little shopping tip secret with y'all when I unbox the handbag. So let's get into the unboxing. All right, so first starting with this little bag. This is actually what I intended to go to Chanel for, and it's wrapped super cute. So they used their new, or this is, I don't know if this is new. I feel like they might do this every holiday, but this is their holiday wrapping. But yeah, I kind of wish it was like the classic white Chanel because I really like wearing that in my hair, but it's fun to like get something different as well. So any guesses what you think is inside this? This is my first time seeing it. It's all nice and wrapped up. First is this pearl brooch. And I just really loved how clean and almost modern it is. It's still very traditional with the gold and pearls, but I just felt like it was really simple compared to other brooches. I actually have a little bit of a smaller brooch that's gold, and it just feels a little dressier, and I love that this one is more oversized. So this is a really fun, easy piece to throw on your coats and sweaters and even berets in the winter time. And I feel like it's just a classic piece that I will carry down to my daughter one day. So that is the first thing that I picked up. So I purchased this brooch, if you're in my area, at the Neiman Marcus at Lenox Mall, and this is kind of what I went there to look at. I honestly didn't know if they would have anything in stock, to be honest, with holiday. And I feel like most Chanel items these days are already like pre-sold before they even come in. So you have to like, I don't know how it works. It's crazy because every time I like inquire about a bag, they're like, it's gone. Like you have to be on the wait list for it. And I'm like, okay, I'm not going to do that. I don't know how you even get on the wait list. So yeah, I didn't really expect a ton to be in store that I was interested in because I am really drawn to light colors. I was really wanting a white and gold classic flap from a couple collections ago, but I didn't know that it was coming until I saw someone else carrying it, and then by then it was already too late. And you can only buy them pre-loved, like over retail value, which is just crazy how the whole designer bag industry works. But yeah, I feel like I got extremely lucky to get the handbag that I did. There was honestly a girl in there like trying to snatch it from me. She was like asking her essay about it, and I was like, she's mine. Hopefully she can find one though. I think she was interested in originally in a different color. Anyway, so they didn't have anything at the Neiman Marcus store that I was at. They actually did just remodel it, and it was a lot bigger than what I had remembered. It was a really pretty store. And I looked around but didn't see anything my heart was set on. And then I went across the street to the Saks Fifth Avenue, which there's another Chanel store right across from Lenox. And the reason I went there is because I've been talking about it a lot recently, especially on Instagram, but Saks has been doing a ton of gift card promotions. And if you purchase a certain amount, you got a gift card back. So I went to Saks because that gift card was expiring really soon. So I was just gonna look around and see what I wanted to spend it on. Ended up back in the Chanel store just to, see what they had. And of course found like the perfect little everyday handbag for me. I actually purchased the handbag and then quickly remembered like, oh my gosh, I had that gift card, but I was not expecting it to actually work because it's not a normal gift card. It's a promotional gift card, and there's a lot of exclusions to it. But I was like, I don't know if this would work, but I don't know if you want to try it. My sales associate ended up trying the gift card, and it took off $500. And it worked. So we quickly returned the handbag, and then I repurchased it and got $500 off, and I was shocked. I'm honestly kind of scared to share that with the internet because I don't know if it was just I don't know. I don't know if that's a normal thing for Chanel items to be included in that promotional gift card, but heck, if it is, that is something to definitely take advantage of, because Chanel does not do any form of sales. And I hope that that's like a little secret that doesn't get in the hands of the wrong person that will shut that down, because that is amazing. So I feel like I honestly got a steal of a deal on this Chanel handbag. Any, like $1 would make a difference with these handbags, or even like tax. I know some people like ship them to different states or something to not pay tax, but yeah, it quickly adds up. So cannot believe that I got $500 off the handbag. Anyway, let's show you what I got. I don't know if y'all can take any guesses. It is from their new 22C collection, but I feel like when you see this handbag, you're gonna be like, yes, that is meant for you. Okay, so here is the box. That's a little guess on the size. I actually just opened it and recorded it and shared the official unboxing over on my Instagram. So if you're really into like the full unboxing, I will link my Instagram down below. It's Strawberry Chic XO, and that's where you can find me day to day. So yeah, I already unboxed it, but this is the bag, and again, it came with the holiday ribbon. And the boxes are great for storage, although I feel like I'm going to be using this a lot, so who knows if I'll even store it. But there's the dust bag. I don't know size wise if y'all have any final guesses. Gosh, she is so pretty. My hair is literally everywhere. I put this dust bag down and now it's covered. Yay, postpartum hair loss. So fun. Okay, I just keep staring at her. Okay, I don't know if y'all got a peek, but here she is. Oh my gosh. So this is technically a beige color, but it is the perfect blush pink color, and I have always wanted a pink Chanel handbag. So I have like a black classic, and then I have a lighter jumbo, and in the back of my mind I always wanted to like finish my collection with a pink bag, and then I still want the dang white one from earlier this year, but I can only find it pre-loved like over retail, so I'm just gonna have to wait for them to like do white again, I guess. It is the perfect pink Chanel handbag edition, and they had it in a jumbo that I was trying on, but I do already have like a beige jumbo, and I felt like it was a little redundant, and day to day I wear crossbody bags 90% of the time, so I thought this would be absolutely perfect. And it's different than a classic, which is like if I got the white handbag, I would want a classic in that one. So I really like this style. I'll open it up and kind of show y'all around. But yeah, I love that I can wear it crossbody, because Chanel doesn't do a ton of crossbodies. I know the Square Mini, I think, like a little bit smaller than this, but this is a really good kind of similar style to that. I guess I can show you a little clip of how it looks on, but let's open it up. And I also really liked that it has it's like a little bit of a bigger logo than the classic. Okay, so when you open it up, it has this slot here, which is perfect for your iPhone. And then it has the zipper, so everything is nice and secure. Let me get this stuffing out. Okay, so then it just opens up there, and then it has this so nothing falls out as you're getting in and out of there. But this is great for travel because everything's going to be nice and secure. Not that I'm traveling right now with my 6-month-old. But then it also has a pocket in the back, and then this is like a tiny pocket here too. I don't think I would use that. Honestly, I don't know if I'll use the back pocket either, but this fits a ton. I think it's actually bigger than the Square Mini, so I'll show some cutaways of it, but there's my phone in there, so plenty of room for day-to-day use, and I love it. I also love that with this style, I can shorten the strap, so if you cross it like this, and then close it, can wear it shorter so that you can wear it on the shoulder if you don't want to wear it crossbody. But I know for the most part I do plan on wearing it crossbody. And I know that someone's going to comment about it being a light color. I have carried light handbags my whole entire life, and I feel like it's just a lifestyle thing. I have carried this, okay, let me, hold on. For example, I have had this YSL handbag. It will be 2 years next month, and there's absolutely no denim transfer on there. I mean, honestly, I haven't even noticed it, but there's like a little mark here that I honestly think I could buff out. So I personally am not worried about denim transfer. I'm a dress girl, and I don't know, I wear a lot of leggings if I do wear pants, especially in the winter and fall. So I don't really plan on wearing jeans. I also wear like white jeans more often than dark denim. So I'm really not concerned about denim transfer, but I know a ton of people will be. But it just it's been a non-issue for me. And I definitely have the philosophy of like using things and loving what you have and not being like scared to use them, you know. So also at Chanel, she said, like, because they now do the tags differently in the handbags, but she said that like a one-time use, Chanel will actually completely like redo your handbag. So she said if 10 years down the road I wanted to give it a refresh, I could send it into Chanel and they will make it look brand new, like repolish the gold, do a deep cleaning and all of that good stuff, which I didn't know. I know there's companies out there that do that. My jumbo bag is actually vintage from the 90s, and it came from leather surgeons. I know that they're a really popular one for Chanel handbags, but I think there's actually one in my area too. So I didn't know Chanel actually did that as well. But yeah, that is what I recently picked up at Chanel. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you think of the bag down in the comments below, and I will see y'all again in my next video. Bye!